This is the 18th floor. Summit Studio Suite. Room 1834. That's a doorbell. Huge closet in the entryway. There's not that many hangers considering how much room there is, but I'm sure you can ask for more. Ironing board, luggage rack. You could probably stack some suitcases back there and fit a whole bunch of stuff. Actually, this is a huge closet. To my left, this is the temperature control for the living space. For our stay, the air conditioning is not working. Out here, it is working in the bedroom. It's about an average of 90 degrees middle of the day out here, so you need the fan or the AC to be working. That's an entrance to the restroom. There's another entrance, so I'll catch that later in the video. Huge desk, lots of storage spaces. This USB port did not work. We were able to borrow one of these from the front desk because we didn't bring any charging cube, so that was really nice. So if you forget your charging cube, go to security or the front desk and they should have some extras that are left over from guests. It's a kitchenette, very nice feature. Microwave. This is larger than your standard refrigerator or mini fridge in a hotel. Got a lot of leftovers. Huge portions at the Grand Cafe. And below the fridge we have a safe. Probably can't see inside, but you could fit a small laptop. And you can use a credit card or create a code. Coffee maker and some other supplies for tea and coffee. Ice bucket and glasses. All of these cabinets and drawers are empty. This nice bar area right here. 2 chairs. These TVs, they're okay. They're pretty old. Some of the channels glitch, and some you have audio but no video. There's another lamp. There's one of these in each room. There's a pedal right here. And you just use that to turn it on and off. This couch turns into a pull-out for the kids. There's some tables over here we didn't use. This is a pretty large space. Again, this is the Summit Studio Suite. It's more like a 1-bedroom suite. Nice feature here. There's these that go up and down. Let's see, this way to close, this way to open. That way you get some ventilation in the room. This is the view, nothing special, but not bad. Kind of in the middle of nowhere, so not much to see. Make our way into this bedroom. This room has a double sliding door. The one on this side, I don't know if you can see that screw hanging, but it pretty much doesn't work without some aggression behind it. But this is what we have. It's not very pretty, but it's nice. It kept the cold air in here. Another lamp and chair, like in the living area. You can see some of where the golf is going on. Parking lot. King size bed. Bench in front. Comes with 4 pillows and 2 throw pillows. The side of each. There is a reading lamp, which is actually pretty bright. Lamp. Drawer space. This huge mirror. Another TV. And the remote for the TVs actually control both, so 2 remotes, but either one works for either TV. This is the huge bathroom. Close this so you have a better idea. This is the bathroom closet here. It's smaller than the one in front. I'm sorry, there's no light over here, but hangers, ironing board, iron, luggage rack. There's no light in this part of the bathroom, which is strange. Rainfall shower head. This is pretty cool. There's no handle. They just cut out a hole for you to open the shower door. It's a little shelf for toiletries. Water pressure's pretty good. Heats up pretty fast. We didn't use a bathtub, but here it is. They provided us with plenty of towels. Toilet. They include a hair dryer, but we didn't need it, so I moved it over. Makeup mirror. And this huge counter, which we've since cleaned off, but yeah, it's roomy right here. All 4 of us could probably stand and get something accomplished. And let's go back over here to the door and I'll show you where this leads out. So this is the other door where the temperature control is. And we are back at the entryway. That's about it.